Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix The Last of Us Part 1 stuck on loading screen, and in this video I will show you a couple of solutions. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Steam, go to Steam on the top left corner, then go to settings, and then go to downloads. And what you need to do here is to clear download cache, right? And then restart your computer, restart Steam and try the game. And if the problem persists, then go to library, go to The Last of Us Part 1, right click on it, go to properties, and then go to local files, and then press verify integrity of the game files. So maybe if you have some corrupted files, the files will be fixed, and then you can try the game and see if it works or not. Right, and if the problem persists, then you need to update your operating system and your GPU drivers. To do so, on search, just write check for updates. And here, what you need to do here is to press check for updates and see if there is a new updates for your operating system that you need to download and install. And if there is, please install them and then restart your computer and see if the problem persists or not. Same thing with your GPU. You need to go to device manager and go to display adapters here, and then update driver, and here press search automatically for drivers and update if there is some. And also, depending on what GPU you're using, if you're using NVIDIA, you can install GeForce Experience, or if you're using AMD, so install AMD Radeon, and then go to drivers, check for updates and install the latest drivers, restart your computer and see if the problem persists or not, right? And another thing that you can do here, you need to enable high performance on The Last of Us. And to do so, you just need to go to system or settings, and then you need to go to system here, then display, then scroll down until you see graphic settings, press on that, and here on the Last of Us, make sure to do the high performance. And if there is no Last of Us on this list, you just need to press browse, and then you need to select program files, then Steam, and then you need to go to find Steam apps, and then common, and then you need to look for The Last of Us and add the exe file here, and then press options and select high performance, right? And pretty much that's pretty much it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.